What's going on, guys? It is your boy Medi the Ref, and I'm back with the video today. And guys, today I wasn't planning on vlogging today at all. I wasn't going to do any filming, but I kind of wanted to, because you know I want to try and vlog every day now. So that's going to be a cool thing. It's kind of hard though, because I don't have my friend with me, so it's kind of hard to vlog without him, because I don't actually have any vlog content. So yeah. Alright guys, so I've just had something come up and I do need to go to the shops because my mate's car, which is getting wrapped at the moment, something happened, so I gotta go down and check that out because he is in Australia at the moment. And he just texted me and said, "Bro, can you go and check the car out?" I was like, "Sweet as, I go down there now." So apparently what I'm hearing is, so he's getting a wrap in the back section of the car. They messed up the wrap a little bit, so we need to go unwrap and then re-wrap it, and the paint's coming off. So that's not good. I don't think I'm going to vlog on the because I don't think we're allowed to. But yeah, I'm not sure how we're going to deal with this. So yeah, let's just hope for the best. Guys, I'm back, and it wasn't too bad, so my mate will be glad about that. But anyway, I was on the way back, got some lollies, and you know what it is, we buy whatever we want whenever we want. We don't check the price, we just swipe. And yeah guys, so the weather is turning out to be really bad at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can focus. Yeah, so it's all cloudy at the moment. It did feel like it was going to rain, so I'm going to probably stay out of the I don't know what you call it. But yeah guys, so I need to get changed because I think I might go out again. I might go into town. So yeah. Boom guys, that's how you do that. So guys, I just want to show you my camera real quick because I don't think you guys have actually seen it. But basically, you know, here's what my camera looks like. Put it in slow mo there. Whoa. That was bad for the lens. All good. Alright. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm changed by the way guys. Got me J's on my feet and yeah. So I'm gonna message Marcus and then hopefully we're gonna go into town if he's allowed. If we're not, hey, that's a strange looking dog. What dog are you? Are you a dog? No, you're a feline cat. I don't even know how to say the word. But you guys, this is Fluffy. And she loves to be petted, and she's on her grind at the moment. If you guys don't know what that means, she just sleeps a lot, so it's getting pretty hot now, so I can kind of understand. But yeah guys, so hopefully I'm gonna go to town and we'll try to vlog there. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so I just thought of a really good idea. So I found my original first ever phone. It was this really bullcrap. I almost dropped it. This thing here doesn't work anymore, and I thought, why not make a video about, well, just demolishing it pretty much. So I'm gonna start with the screen and then we'll move on. So if I can maybe hook the phone up somewhere like here, and then let's just do it. By the way guys, don't try this at home. This is not a good idea. So pretty sure I can just wipe off a. Let me just. Oh crap. Okay. Now that one's broken. So we got that. Okay. So something's loose in here. Okay. Next one. Alright guys, so for this one I'm gonna put a hammer straight to the screen. didn't do anything. So basically this test is just to see how solid these phones are. This is pretty strong, like. Oh. I just put a little crack in it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm kind of looking through the camera, but yeah. So let's keep going. Yep, definitely not going to work now. Just to make sure that it's going to work. This is a service phone, by the way, because you just go like this, right? Put it there and then you just go. And they work every time when you do that. So yeah, next we're going to do the drop test. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've got the phone here and we're just going to basically just drop it from this side and see what happens. Okay. The back of it just comes off pretty much. So again, from here, it's pretty strong. One more time just to be sure. Okay, that was right on the screen. Still nothing, guys, still nothing. Okay, for this next one, guys, this is very dangerous, so you should not try this at home. But basically, let's say you get the back of the phone, you just drop it. But this one, you just go. That was right on the screen too. Oh, I put a fat crack through it. Whoopsie. Okay, let's do a more civilized. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm desperate to make a vlog. So basically guys, with the battery and you get a hammer, if you hit it enough times, we're going to do it indoors, basically it heats up and it just basically melts itself. So basically we're going to do that. I'm going to put my camera there, make sure you guys can see the battery. Okay, so there's the battery. Right there, I got the hammer right next to me, let's just hit it. I think it's working. Oh wow. A bit more. Okay guys, it's working, it's working, it's working. You gotta give it some time because yeah, stuff is definitely burning inside of that. It's getting very, so it gets warmer, it gets really warm, and then basically it just, yeah, oh that does not smell nice. So we're going to put this over here, I'm going to keep hitting it because I don't think I actually destroyed everything in it. But where is it? There. So yeah, I'll be back for you. So you guys, hope you guys have an awesome day today. This is how to make your phone run even better, okay? This makes your phone run the best ever, okay? Like, it's better than Samsung, the best Samsung or the best iPhone, anything, okay? Trust me, it works. So, we're just going to make sure the battery is nice and serviced, and then it should be okay. I'm just going to check just so it, okay, it's not heating up too much. Oh, okay, yep, that is definitely going to heat up very quickly now. Yep, as you can see guys, everything inside of that is burnt out. So don't try this at home, kids. This is how your battery gets really, really good. So this is how you service batteries really well. Okay, so that's how you service batteries, okay? That's actually heating up a lot. I'm going to leave it on the ground just for safety purposes, and yeah. Now guys, we move on to the phone. I know exactly what to do for this, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the camera back to the ground, back to ground view, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with the camera, the phone. Let me just check the screen. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to get a screwdriver like this, you want to put the phone here right in front of the camera, and then you want to get a hammer. Okay, so you need a screwdriver, and you just go that, and you just do that, just, oh wow. Yep. Can we get it out, please? Thank you. Alright. So, after you've done that, guys, the phone should work perfectly. So, yeah, looks like there's a bullet hole in it. But basically, it should work very good. So, let's just make sure that it's going to run very well by putting another hole in it. And basically, guys, you can really make it into whatever you want. But I've just put the phone, this thing through the phone. So yeah, DIY of how to fix your phone.
Oh, yo, there's a party over here.